Next problem, for analog transfer function h of s is equal to 1 by s plus 1 into s plus 2. Determine h of z using IIM. So this sum also the previous sum, but the only difference is here h of s is directly given. But in the case of previous problem, we have designed this h of s with the help of 5 steps. In previous problem, the given specification in terms of lambda, epsilon and sigma p, sigma s. So we have to find all the 5 steps. Finally we get h of s. But in that problem, h of s is directly given. So no need to solve the 5 steps. We have directly taken the h of s value. h of s equal to 1 divided by s plus 1 into s plus 2. So here t value is not given. So we have assumed t equal to 1 second. We know the formula for impulse invariance method is 1 divided by s minus pi equal to 1 divided by 1 minus e power pi t into the power minus 1. Okay. So first we have to find the partial fraction method for this given, because we have to separate these two factors, right? So for that, first using partial fraction method, so h of s is equal to, here two factors there, so a divided by s plus 1 plus b divided by s plus 2. So next to find the a and b value. So for that, a equal to the denominator of a factor is s plus 1, so we have to multiply s plus 1 in s plus 1 divided by this term s plus 1 into s plus 2, where s is equal to h plus 1, so we have to take s equal to minus 1. Now substitute s equal to minus 1 in this equation. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel, minus 1 plus 1 cancel, so remaining is s plus 2, right? So this two term cancel, so here s equal to minus 1 plus 2 means which become plus 1, so 1 by 1 become 1, so a value is 1. Next to find the b value, for that in this term the denominator factor is s plus 2, so we have to take s plus 2 divided by this whole term. So now substitute s is equal to minus 2, because s equal to plus 2, so we are going to substitute s equal to minus 2. So this two terms cancel, so here minus 2 plus 1 means minus 1. So 1 divided by minus 1 become minus 1. So h of s is equal to a value plus 1 divided by s plus 1, b value is minus 1, so minus 1 divided by s plus 2. We know the IIM formula, 1 divided by s minus pi equal to 1 divided by 1 minus e power pit minus into e power minus 1. Now to convert this h of s become h of z with the help of this formula. So here pi value is plus 1. Here minus formula, here value plus, so pi equal to 1, right? So 1 divided by 1 minus e into pi. Pi is 1, but here is minus, so minus means we have to take plus, but here plus, so we have to take minus. So minus 1 into t, we have assumed t equal to 1 into the power minus 1. Then second term minus 1 divided by 1 minus e power pi. Pi is 2, here plus, so we have to take minus, so minus 2 into 1 into z power minus 1. So this simplification we get this value. After simplification we get this value. Then we have to take LCM and the simplification we finally get this value, right? That is 1 minus 1.135 into z inverse minus 1 minus, that is minus 1 minus into minus plus 0.36 z minus 1 divided by this two term. After simplification finally we get this factor, that is digital Butterworth filter using IIM. So you have to remember this formula. In IIM, the sigma p formula is omega p, sigma s equal to omega s, where bilinear sigma p equal to omega p by t and sigma s is equal to omega s by t. So in the previous problem, here the given term is omega, but in our problem we have the we want this sigma. So this omega is converted into sigma with the help of the formula, right? So if it is IIM means we have to use sigma p equal to omega p. Sigma s is equal to omega s. If in the case of IIM, the same problem using bilinear method means we have to use this formula for the conversion of omega to sigma. Is it clear? So these two formulas are used to convert the omega into sigma based on the type of methods. This is for IIM, this is for bilinear. Which formula we used when the given frequency in terms of omega, right? Is it clear? So next problem, apply bilinear transformation h of s equal to 2 by s plus 1 into s plus 3. Take t equal to 0.1 second. So we know the formula of bilinear, s is equal to 2 by t z minus 1 divided by z plus 1. So in that problem also, the h of s value is directly given. So no need to find that 5 steps. We have taken directly this h of s and then substitute s equal to this formula to here. We get h of s into h of z, right? So let's do it. H of z equal to 2 divided by s. So s is replaced by these terms. So s equal to 2 by t. T value is 0.1 into z minus 1 divided by z plus 1. Then plus 1. Then s. Replace s by this term. So 2 by 0.1 into z minus 1 divided by z plus 1 plus 3. So the simplification of this term is 20. Z minus 1 divided by z plus 1 plus 1. So 20 z minus 1 divided by z plus 1 plus 3. Then take the LCM. So z plus 1 into z plus 1 become z plus 1 the whole square. It goes to numerator. So here 20 into z minus 20. 20 z minus 20. So here the LCM is z plus 1. Likewise 20 z minus 20. The LCM is 3 z plus 3. So 2 into z plus 1 the whole square. Simplification. 20 z plus z 21 z minus 20 plus 1 minus 19. 20 z plus 3 z 23 z minus 20 plus 3 minus 17. So now multiplication this term. 21 z into 23 z become 483 z squared. Then 21 z into 17 becomes 794. Then 19 minus 19 into 23 z become some value. So adding these two value, finally minus 19 minus 17 plus 323. So simplification of these two factor become this one, and a plus b the whole square formula simplification we get this term. So this is the final h of z. Is it clear? So in bilinear method it's very simple, just to replace the s by 2 by t into z minus 1 divided by z plus 1 in a h of s, that is analog Butterworth transfer function. Okay, in analog Butterworth transfer function we just replace the s by this term, and further simplification we get the final digital Butterworth filter h of z. So but in a case of impulse invariance method, we are going to separate the polynomial using partial fraction method, and then based on that polynomial we have to choose out of 3 formula. So which term is similar to that 3 formula, directly substitute that values, we get the digital Butterworth filter. Okay, is it clear? So that's all about the analog and digital Butterworth filter.